Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer form responses from JotForm to BigQuery step by step clearly. Create a JotForm account if you don't have one already. Log in to your JotForm dashboard. Select the form from which you want to transfer responses. Navigate to the Settings tab for that form. Click on Integrations in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Google BigQuery. Select the Google BigQuery integration option. Click the Authenticate button to connect your Google account. Grant necessary permissions for JotForm to access your BigQuery data. Select the BigQuery project where you want to store the form responses. Choose or create a dataset in BigQuery for your form responses. Map the JotForm fields to the corresponding fields in BigQuery. Ensure that the data types in JotForm match the data types in BigQuery. Configure any additional settings, such as whether to send responses in real-time or batch mode. Save the integration settings once you're satisfied with the configuration. Go back to the main dashboard and submit a test response to your JotForm. Check your BigQuery dataset to verify that the response has been recorded. Once confirmed, your JotForm responses will now be automatically transferred to BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.